So we have Anne Frank and Adolf Hitler.
What a masterpiece.
Perfect.
Okay, let's begin. We need a.
Bart, let me just lay
Where's
it all out for
Blitz?
you.
Wasn't Blitz gonna be the? Okay.
Okay, who's gonna be the judge then? Why don't you be the judge? Or no, yeah, you be the judge because all you do is ask questions. You don't like,
Okay.
like mediate it. You don't actually determine the outcome. Bart, I'm
Bart's
laying
not
it all
being
out for
sued.
you. I'm laying it all out for you, Bart. Good thing I eat hookers joined the game. Very
Okay,
imperative to
Sitmod,
the...
Son, Russo. Okay. Creepy, you can kick whoever has like the most retarded name.
No, keep them. They're not bad.
Okay, well, it's definitely the guy who was Adolf Hitler and Annie Frank just earlier.
Okay, Blitz is at the barber shop as of now.
Okay, why is he getting a haircut? Alright, I'm gonna be judge now.
Okay, this guy just started looking roll request.
When he starts, what do you mean?
Look, he just tried to ping like everyone with the... Oh, someone deleted it and banned it.
That was
already.
me.
Review the alert. Discord.
It's the influx of Bart's members.
Increased activity mark is resolved.
If Bart wins, the central government is ineffective.
Down. Okay, what's going on with the game?
Yeah, I'm gonna just turn this to...
Yeah, get that flag out of here. Yo, unequip that flag. It makes the game really laggy.
That's... I'm just gonna move your hat real quick.
One could say that MP collaborates with foreigners, foreign imperialists.
Okay. When are we gonna start, Biggity?
You're the judge, buddy.
Okay. I'm gonna start with the prosecutors. Can the prosecutor...
Yeah, opening statements. We're doing opening statements.
Yeah, opening statements.
My opening statements as chairman of the Guangxi provincial government, I would like to state that...
Wait, Bart.
Bart.
Wait, Bart. Are you able to speak like this time? I'm gonna bring him up to the stage. I just need, because last time at his court case he couldn't speak. Dude, there's 33 people here. We have more people than we did at like the raid. And no, that's not true. But like,
we had like 40.
okay, Bart, I invited you. Can you speak? Okay, he cannot speak. Are you kidding me, Bart? I'm gonna make here. Yeah, just PM me anything, Bart. Like private message me if you have anything to tell me.
Why is Bart's cases like get the group so active, dude? What the hell?
Cause Bart, you have like a following of 100 people. Where are they coming from? Are they your family? Are they the poop god Balins? Or are they the poop god and the Balins?
Imperial? No, Biggity is your lawyer.
I'm just gonna say something.
Bart,
for Gen
remember?
1.
Bart, remember when I won you the other case? Bart, I won you the other case. You remember?
Interesting
Okay,
how Bart has all these
Imperial doesn't know jack shit
do
about
not get
Bart.
uncaged. Get off the stage, Xiaohei. So,
Gentlemen, let's take our country back.
are you gonna start with your opening statements?
Yeah, Jen, start.
Okay. So, as you all know, Bart is a very ineffective military police leader. You can, he cannot rally. He surrounds himself with a very, let's say, not very decent crowd of people. I mean, the officers he appoints are ineffective. he can only rally 2 men on a good day, you know, and that's with he's been MP commander for months, yet there are no results. I started New Guangxi Creek less than a week ago, and yet I have a much larger following than he does. I think this speaks volumes as his ability as a commander to organize and rally. That's my opening statement.
Alright, Biggity, what's your opening statement?
Wait, can you give me a minute? I'm trying to ask if Hudson wants to join.
The people are rallying behind Li Zongren.
Alright, my opening statement. I believe Bart is a competent commander who should not be removed from his position. And he's been trying his best with the MP, and I think Dai Li, or Jen, the prosecution, has been extremely hard on him. And they have been unfairly accusing Bart of incompetency.
Alright. Will the prosecutor present his case?
Sure, of course, of course. Well, I would like to, as MP commander, we bear witness to the.
No, don't mute. It's fine. Unmute all of you.
Yeah. Let the people speak. Anyhow. At the event at Shanghai last night, there was a contingent of MP present. I think there were 1, 2, or 3. I think 2, but they were very ineffective. You know, many have pointed that my troops didn't do well, but his troops were also present, and that's their job. I mean, they can't even do what they're designed to do. Okay, and also let's also point to the fact that Bart has been commander of MP for literally months now. Okay, I may have lost the last court case. He promised to bring MP, to the glory. Okay, and I said, hey, MP should be about quality, not quantity. He was like, no, let's bring in quantity. But now that he cannot bring in any men, he's like, okay, well, we recruitment's hard. We're gonna cap MP. I mean, he just can't recruit any men, any good men. I mean, Nezi is a very ineffective policeman. I mean, we've witnessed this at the last trial, many have witnessed his ineffectiveness. And I think we would do good if Bart was replaced with somebody else.
For the situation in Shanghai earlier, how many were present of MP and Guangxi?
Guangxi had about 5 present. MP had 2, I believe.
And would you say the event was more serious toned, or?
Yes, it was.
Alright. How would the defenders present their case in response?
Hold on. Alright, so to address his point about yesterday's officers meeting and the guards' incompetence, I like to put it out there that the guards present, majority of them were Guangxi clique, and the later into the meeting, the MP were the guards inside, and the Guangxi clique were the guards outside, although there was still some Guangxi clique inside. And the invaders were able to get into the building every single time past the Guangxi clique, and MP was the last line of defense. So the fact that the raiders were able to get inside of the conference at all is the fault of Guangxi Army. And then the point about MP being capped, I don't know why you made that a point. I'm pretty sure you're the one who told Bart to cap it, and Bart, I believe, it's capped at 15 right now, and I'm pretty sure he has 13 members. I'm not too sure though. And by the way, the like invaders or whatever, they were glitching into the meeting at the start before we like locked the doors. They were glitching through the windows. So even if like MP was outside, it wasn't there.
So you admit it's not Guangxi's fault?
Well, not until we locked the doors. We locked the doors and stuff.
Okay.
That's all I have to say on that.
So, you would say it would not be a fault of any of the guards?
Perhaps, but MP has a specialized job, you know? Shouldn't they do it more proficiently than we do? I would say our effectiveness was about the same.
So, MP and Guangxi were on the same level during the meeting?
Yeah.
Despite MP rallying less?
That's not the point. That's not the point at all, though. Their level of competence was about the same as ours, and we are not a police division. We are a combat division. If they aren't on the same level as a combat division and their main purpose is policing, I think that's kind of poor, you know?
Uh, what would you have to respond to this, Biggity?
That Guangxi Army being on the same level as MP is poor.
Yeah.
Well,
Well, I mean-
haven't you been trying to make Guangxi the most prestigious division in the CNRA?
Not necessarily an organization, maybe. We offer the actual structure of like a military unit while everybody else is run like a bunch of lunatics. That's what we offer.
Alright, well, wait, hold on, Bart's saying something. Yeah, Bart's bringing up the point that your men are undisciplined as well.
Oh, really? Wait, he has Super Gamer as a military police officer. And also, let's bring up the raid, okay? The inspection at the rally. Bart got banned by Biggity for refusal to follow orders.
Well, I found out he was just AFK eating a snack.
Hey, what about? He was jumping constantly and disobeying your direct orders on multiple times, which is why you assumed he was just ignoring you because of the precedent. Bart, as an officer, on many occasions refuses to follow orders. That is not good conduct for a military police commander.
Like your example being the rally on Saturday.
The rally most recent example, yes.
Bart brings up the point that you embarrassed the CNRA in front of Octavia.
How did I do that?
I mean, I wasn't there, so Bart. And, he says that the Boxer Rebellion, as well as one of your men, all penguins shot the Octavians.
The Octavians were abusing our countrymen. They were killing my guards. My guards have a right to respond. We are Chinese. We will not be dogs to foreign imperialists. Not if they abuse our men. Okay?
Well, wouldn't you say that's insubordination from Zhang? As
Insubordination. We met equal force with equal force.
I mean, you'd have to ask Zhang. I wasn't there. I don't know.
As
Had
for
guns,
the
they were mounted, and they were left to do whatever they wanted,
Yeah,
which is
Zhang, did you give any orders about not shooting them or ceasing fire?
yeah, I told Alec to tell his guards to not fire upon the guard present in the meeting.
and they refused. They didn't follow your orders. Well, they
I
didn't
don't
follow
think
the orders.
I don't think it was the problem of, you know, Alec and all of his high command. I think it was the problem of the, you know, his actual guards who are low rank who did not follow orders.
Could I call a witness for the guard debacle?
And who are we gonna call?
I'm gonna call a chaos major, the man standing to the side of me, one of my division commanders.
Okay, have him. Yeah, let him speak on the stage.
All right. All right, I invited him.
Hello.
Go stand up,
Well,
by the way.
Yeah, go stand.
Talking
up.
about the
Go stand up at the witness stand.
It's a-
talking about the Octavian guards or whatever. I don't even know why they had guns. First of all, if they're supposed to be an ally, they should trust our security in the meeting. You know, and they were walking around the place. Apparently, to Penguin, they said they were just mocking us or whatever, and constantly annoying the guards at the front desk. And they also did take him and put him in cuffs after he was holding his gun at low ready outside of the door, and told him to put his gun away, even though it was our meeting and they were guests. That's all I really want to say.
Alright, wait, can I cross-examine the witness as they do? Okay, go back up to the witness stand.
Yep.
So, okay, good thing, yeah.
my bad.
So are you saying that the Octavians did not fire upon you first, and all they did was detain one of your men for
No, they
possibly-
shot us as well.
So, what happened? They detained you, then shot you, or they detained...
No, at Penguin, they also all got them themselves, as well. And if there was a gun out, they just shoot people, our guards. Along with, they also had a standoff at one of the doors with the Guangxi clique.
Yes, I'd like to
They were the
speak.
aggressors as well. I had to go in there and tell them to calm down.
So, the Octavians fired first.
I believe so. Yes.
No, don't ban spammers. What are you doing?
Oh, that guy was on the floor, crawling,
Oh.
trying to glitch in.
Do you have anything else for me?
No, I don't.
Well, I got a question for the witness
Okay.
though.
Yep.
At the rally, did the Octavians shoot when we were rallying, and then because no one was shooting during the rally, right? Until
I don't know. What rally? The one at the end or the one at
yeah, the one at the end.
I don't know if the Octavians were there. Were they the people in the green shirts?
At the Siang warehouse at the last meeting for the Octavia. We all rallied. Were you there?
Yeah, I was there sitting in line behind.
You know
Yeah.
who shot like all those guys, right? And during the speech.
No, I don't.
All right. Well, I'm not gonna like be completely biased here, but after everything settled down between Octavia and the Chinese, Li Zongrin put all Penguin on the stage to speak, and he just yelled something about imperialist and began to shoot all the Octavians. When the
Yeah.
event
I don't
ended.
believe all Penguin was the first to shoot. Maybe he was, but I wasn't. I wasn't
But
paying attention at first.
you gotta put him on stage though.
He has a right to speak, what he wants to speak.
Yeah.
Okay, but At the
all
time, it
Penguin-
was only high command on stage and officers, correct?
He is an officer.
Well, how many actual low-rank officers were on stage?
Well, it depends on the circumstance.
This was a rally, so why would low-ranking officers be speaking?
He had important input to say.
And the input was what?
In response to the blatant aggression showed by the Octavian guards, he stated that we are an independent country and we shouldn't allow them to abuse us.
Does anybody want to point out the flaw in what this guy just said? Because I'm sure we have a witness that can testify that all Penguin did not say that.
I don't believe you are a neutral judge.
I'm just doing my job, dude.
No, I do not think so.
We definitely have some more, more patriotic people in the new Guangxi clique, but
No
Hopefully-
noise.
hopefully in the future we have more neutral people instead of just against everything. First you should have an input before you have an opinion.
I have one more question for Lee Zongren. For the Boxer Rebellion, was this like organized by just Guangxi alone, or was it organized by other?
No, we weren't the ones who organized it.
Yeah, I believe it to be Mr. Zongla.
Okay, that would be all.
Alright, can I return?
Yeah.
Alright.
Does the defense have anything to say?
No. Does the prosecution want to bring up any more points?
Hello?
No, defense can state their case.
Well, I believe... Also, jury, you guys can speak in team chat if you guys haven't already. Anyway, what does moving away from Bart's case mean? Someone said that. Anyway, people, I believe that Bart is a good commander. He should not be removed. He's been trying his best. He was removed from... Or his entire division was purged, and it's been quite hard to get new members because it was purged after like all of our members are already in a division and well established in them. Like after NAJUA came, most people were in that, and then I'm pretty sure Jen told him to put a cap on military police to make it more quality over quantity, which just limited his growth and ability to make like MP succeed and excel overall. And he's been trying his best. He's been going on Group Recruiting Plaza. If you look in recruitment, he's constantly recruiting, posting his message quite unique. He created a CNRA library to entice his members. He's been trying to hire new staff. I mean, he's been doing all he can basically to grow MP.
I would like to halt everything, because the jury has a question on why MP was purged.
Oh, MP was purged because I think on orders of Jen. I don't know why though. He just said probably due to inactivity. He just wanted to purge everyone to have a fresh start. Bart says no.
That is true. Yes, your division was inactive.
Alright.
Not true. I have evidence otherwise, Bart.
Yeah, just let it be known Jen is the one who ordered the purge of MP, which kicked out basically every single member.
All of his members were inactive, and this was authorized by the Generalissimo himself.
There's Can Bart even speak in VC?
He can't. He physically can't speak. He can't right now.
I would have a question about the activity. Would you say MP was at all active prior to the purge?
Bart, could the jury look in image chat for an image Bart has sent?
Wait, what's a jury team, by the way?
It's just called jury.
Can you team me that?
Yeah.
There we go. Okay, it told you to look in the image chat.
Yeah, just look in image chat.
And let's see. Jen, I have a question for you too.
Yes.
When MP was active at the time of the Shanghai, did you believe Bart was doing a good role in his position?
Not necessarily. I never did agree with the way he ran things, but for a time, his division was active. Yes.
And question on that too. Do you believe the Shanghai SSUs made MP active?
Well, yes, to a degree, sure. But you could probably attribute the activity to MP to the inactivity of the other divisions.
Um, could I say something now?
Yeah.
Prior to like just a week ago, Shanghai had no SSUs and it was basically out of use. And MP's primary focus is going to primary place of operations is going to be on Shanghai. So Shanghai not having any SSUs probably heavily contributed to MP dying. Since what really are you gonna do with the MP? Because they're not a combat division. You're not doing CTs. So I mean you could do like a basic training, but still, Shanghai would be like the main game they operate on. So
New Guangxi, head through Shanghai.
what?
Yes, you can stay. New Guangxi, click at this Shanghai.
What? Why are you having them in Shanghai?
All right. Anyway, yeah, Shanghai being inactive and not in use probably contributed to their inactivity prior to the purge, and then now after the purge, you can see their activity for how many members they have is up. However, they do not have that many members due to the cap they set. So I think if given time and given more Shanghai SSUs, MP will definitely get a lot more active because now that their main game of operations is up, then they're going to be a lot more active. It's like if you took away like Dare to Die Corps' bomb vests, what are they going to do except like I don't even know. They just would not have that much of a purpose because their entire thing is being like a sacrificial division. So taking away their main like focal point or focus.
Okay, why'd I
is
just die?
Like, they shot you on accident. Anyway, that's all I have to say. You get the point. MP didn't have that much of a purpose due to Shanghai.
I would also have a question
For me. Or,
for Bart. Would you say that MP is able to enforce the rules in the server and during raids at all?
yeah, MP in raids. To be fair, they majority of our raid maps do not have an MP team. I don't think Seahang Warehouse has an MP team. I'm not too sure off the top of my head because I think there's only one yeah, there is no MP team. I remember now. There's no MP team. And that's where our most recent raids have happened. Our last 3 raids have been on Seahang, then a map that we don't own, and then Seahang again. So
Okay, there's a guy right there. And one more question, Bart. Would you say you enforce rules in the MP? I mean, well, and MP and the NRA server, as well as follow them? Can someone shoot Pol Pot?
How did Sun get a gun?
I actually gave him one, but it's okay. He'll miss anyways.
Zhang, can you put on some more music?
Yeah.
Some like intense music.
All right, my presence is needed at Shanghai, so I ask that we hurry this along.
All right.
Quick question: why are we at Shanghai?
They probably have like an event or something. Anyway, so after I just said everything, do you want to say anything about that, Jen? I just said.
No, I did not have it.
All right, witnesses, do you have any questions for the prosecution or the defense? Or not witnesses, my bad. I mean the jury. Jury, do you have any questions for the prosecution or defense?
Actually, I would like to add just something.
All right, sure.
As MP commander, Bart has not enforced any rules, and his men are just over-glorified thugs. They are not policemen. They are just thugs in uniforms.
I would have a question on that statement.
Yeah, that's just.
Are
like
they
a-
not trying to enforce the rules in the court right now by shooting the
As MP,
troublemakers?
Bart has historically not done that.
But
Alright.
you would say it's being displayed here, right?
You're the one who's coordinating them, not Bart.
He.
Alright,
We
let the
just
jury
teamed
have their
them.
questions.
All right.
Yeah.
Anyway. All right. Okay. Okay. Who's we? Who is we
The
gather
jury.
more evidence? All right. MP baby. All right. So no, don't send it in image chat. Send it in image
Yeah,
chat.
send it in the chat so everyone can look.
Yeah. Also, you guys are making the decisions. Jen isn't. Jen is. He's not the like
Judge.
Yeah. You guys are the jury. You guys tell him your verdict. Send it in image chat. Or if you can't send it in image chat, send it to Jen. Or I mean, send it to Zhang, and he'll send it in image chat. Okay, send it to Zhang.
What do you mean you can't? Oh, that's right. He's
Gotta-
low rank.
Gotta hurry up here. Also, Bart, check your DMs.
Okay.
Dude, holy crap, where's the screenshots at?
Are you sending it to me right now? I'm looking at them.
Okay, hurry up, Zhang.
Jared, I have a question though. Were these all during
Send
when
the images in
courtroom?
image chat!
Okay, give me a second.
Was this during the court, or was this before Bart? Okay, I don't see what's wrong. Alright, here, I'll give my statements on them. Alright, they're coming. Alright, the first one, Jayhawk is in the photo, meaning this was before Bart had joined the game. So not during the court case. I guess they were messing around before the court case. That's not really that bad of a thing, especially because I was going to restart the server anyway, and we would all have to rejoin soon. Second one, Jayhawk is also still in the photo. I can see him in the back. Same thing with the first one. Third one, I don't really see how that one's bad. It's just Bart saying Guangxi's making a fool of themselves.
Team Scott.
And then the fourth one, I also don't really see how that's bad. He was just making sure you guys weren't AFK. So that's my statements on all of those.
Hey, I'll be joining right back.
I'll sum it up again. First two, Jayhawk was in game before court started. Game is going to restart soon. Third one, really no incompetency shown there. And then the fourth one, he was making sure jury wasn't AFK. The first...
Look at what
Even
Sub just said in the
outside-
chat.
The
I
first
think,
two demonstrated MP behavior even outside of duties during the main court. I mean, they weren't really assigned any duties before the court started, except to just kill people trying to glitch, because no one said kill anyone standing up. No one said kill anyone jumping around. We were just waiting until basically just waiting until Bart joined, and I was gonna restart the server anyway. So that's to answer that.
Oh, where'd Bart just go?
The glob glob glob. That same thing with the first one. You can see Jayhawk in the back, meaning Bart wasn't in game yet, and the court case hadn't started, and I was restarting the server. You can see his face in the back if you need me to point it out. Look in image chat. You can see Jayhawk standing in the back. Anyway, is that
Nezzy,
okay?
can you kill the shooter?
Okay, my aim is perfect. So even
Okay.
before the case, they're allowed to fool around like that? Well, yeah, they weren't told otherwise by anyone.
Look at that. He was allowed to get up here, and MP didn't do a thing about it.
One of MP's kind of busy over there.
Yeah, he's glitching from the back, that's why.
He's glitching in from the seat. Just like hold down on the seat.
Yeah. I might delete this seat actually, so you
Might delete the entire thing.
can't. Bro, this is actually like a terror. Okay, whatever. It's fine, just kill him if he glitches. Anyway, that's what I have to say about that. The MP was, I mean, to be honest, as high command myself, if I was in MP situation and we were just waiting for the game to restart and Bart to get here, and no one told me, oh, shut up, don't say anything, be serious, stand in position, then I probably would have messed around a little bit too, because it's
Yeah,
not.
didn't you say the word in my server a few hours ago
No.
when I told you to ping everybody? Yeah.
No.
Oh, I remember that.
No, you said the N-word twice.
No.
Okay. You pinged everybody in my server. Then I said, "What are you doing?" You said N-word, N-word in all caps, and I was like, "Nope, I'm not doing this," and I banned you.
I don't remember that.
Okay, dude. Let's get back to the focus.
Let it be known
the-
I was laced from 12 to 7 today.
Alright. Let's get back to the main focus.
What do you mean not serious from the beginning? They weren't serious because the court case wasn't started and Bart wasn't in the game and nobody had given orders to stay put.
They're hardly serious right now.
How? Look at that MP.
One of them just got detained by another MP for randomly shooting the crowd.
He wasn't randomly
No.
shooting the crowd. He shot at Zhang and Fidel thought that he was shooting Zhang. So Fidel, okay. See, look at Fidel apprehend him ever so carefully.
I was also a member of my new Guangxi clique, so of course he's going to be.
Billy,
Looks
the
like-
answer
looks
to the
like-
question is because
Based on the
MPs
case so
needed.
far, Bart should be promoted to the highest possible role. Alright,
okay, I
thanks for
think
your
Smeg's a
input,
little
Smeg.
biased.
Well, no, he's reviewed the court case. This is accounted on how they're not how they're treating the case. Not serious from the... Wait, did they say that before? Okay, I don't even know what happened to my thing. Okay, anyway, is there any more questions from the witnesses? Yeah,
Alright,
what's your
let's wrap.
question? What's your question? Do you believe how do you believe MP should function? And do you share this with Bart? I'm not too sure if Bart shares this opinion, but I'll just say my opinion since you want to know. I just think MP should act as a more of a law enforcement unit within the army. Well, currently it's also acting as has guarding duties because our honor guard isn't set up yet, which would usually be doing guarding. But I mean, maybe they should be. I think when they're in formation and guarding, they should definitely have a lot of discipline, more so than a regular CNRA member if they're on guarding duty. But I don't think they should be treated any differently if they're just doing whatever and not actually, they don't have any responsibility. Question, would it be possible for both sides to try some evidence about the status of the like what evidence? Like, there's evidence.
Like, I guess photos.
There's evidence of the Discord, every member being kicked from the Discord.
These mean like the activity prior to the purge.
Oh,
like he wants to see what the activity was.
I don't have any screenshots of that. Bart probably has them.
Yeah. Well, I would like to add, because the group was banned, like twice.
Oh yeah. The group. I don't think it was a hopeless situation, and if you were at the last meeting, I was also saying a lot of the MP's issues were from a lack of communication from the high command to Bart. Like, Jen was asking Bart about a lot of things that Bart was never notified of, or like, I can't really remember that well, but I recorded the thing. I don't remember, but my main point in that case was that Bart had a lack of communication from high command as to his his duties. Anyway, wait, let me get back to your question. Oh yeah, he also, I'd like to let it be known that the group was banned, like the Discords were all banned around 2 or 3 times in a row, I'm pretty sure. And I ran 8th Route Army at that time, and I can attest my division completely decayed, and I lost all motivation for the group after the 3rd time I had to reset. I had to set up the 8th Route Army server for a 3rd time, and then like literally one day after I set it up, Zang got banned again. And then I had to reset it up. Or, I didn't even reset it up, I don't think. I didn't make a new one. I just joined on a new account. And I used the banned server because I just did not want to make a new server. But, I just think the massive ban wave contributed to the loss of activity. I think, I'd like to, like, kind of praise Bart for I don't think he lost any motivation, but his men definitely lost motivation. I know I lost motivation for the group at that point because I did not want to have to deal with all of the remaking stuff, but Bart seemed to be pretty motivated and kept recruiting for MP and trying his best. Anyway, is there anything in specific? Any more questions or anything like that?
I'd like to say that this meeting should be sped up a bit. So let's
Yeah, I've been trying to. Is it possible that a solution to this case is that Bart is moved into an infantry division aside from MP? Songran pointed out that his forces moved like an infantry unit, then MP that enforces the law.
I
Well-
think Zongren was talking about his own infantry.
Yeah, but anyway, if that is your point, I would like to say we do not currently have jailing systems or like real laws set up in like all of our games. Maybe, yeah, I don't even think Shanghai has the Legation Police HQ, which has one jail cell, but there's no jail team. The most you can do is just put someone in there and leave them in there and hope they can't escape. So, as of right now, the law enforcement side of our group is kind of lacking. MPV in charge. No, none of our members really have received punishment.
I'll stay in Call, but I'm moving to Shanghai.
Okay.
His leading, it's making MP. How so would you say his leadership is making MP look like a combat division? Okay. Nice shirt, Bart.
Who is Justinian?
Bart, sit back down. There's really nothing MP can do for law enforcement. There's no jails. The only tool in every other game except Pearl of the Orient is the detain tool, as we haven't implemented handcuffs into that. So, and even in Pearl of the Orient, the MP team still doesn't get the handcuffs tool. We haven't added it to their team yet. It's only in server storage. Even then, we've only had, what, like 3-4 Shanghai SSUs, and most of them ended early due to lack of numbers and civilians. What were the realistic expectations of MP before and after the purge? Before, there was no expectations given to Bart, to my knowledge. No one. That's what the first court case was about. It was lack of communication to Bart that he really didn't get any outlined expectations or guidelines he needed to fit for MP.
I object to this.
What? Hold on, let me just finish the second part. And then after the purge, during the court case, Jen outlined that he wanted quality over quantity for MP, and so the member cap was implemented. And since then, it's only been about a week, and I think Bart's about 2 members away from filling the member cap. He is, I think, 13 people, which I really don't think is fair. He only got a week after getting his guidelines and what he needs to do for MP. And it's only been a week and we're trying to fire him again, which is not fair to him, as he said he has big plans for MP and actually has like his organization to make MP like good, make sure.
We are under attack by military police in Shanghai.
Who?
All military police should be in the group or in the game.
No,
Right?
there are apparently military policemen in game attacking us.
Okay, what is their users?
Let me try and get them.
Alright, is there any other questions from witnesses for Jen or the defense?
No, that is all, but I would like to state that I did give Bart some sort of guidance, okay? I do not have the evidence since my account was terminated a couple of months ago, when we got hit by that ban.
Yeah. Alright, closing statements. Jen, do you want to go first? Alright, good.
One second.
Alright, I guess I'll go first since he's... Wait. Scottish wants to be a witness for Bart, if
Okay,
needed.
let him. Oh, if needed, okay.
Well,
That's
I
just-
mean, we would like a witness, but Scottish, what do you have to say? Just tell me in
Yeah,
DMs.
bring
if
him
you
up
want.
to stage. Actually,
Just-
he's in.
Yeah, I can bring up to stage.
Okay, let him speak.
Okay, why is there a black sun guy in the fucking?
Okay.
Yes,
Greg
Nazi.
06.
I mean, I can speak from personal experience in this regard, considering I was here.
Oh!
For
Oh, wait, hold on. I'm sorry, Panzer. I would like to bring up some evidence to the court. Some damning evidence. Some damning evidence to the court. Look in image chat, please. It seems as if the Guangxi army has taken to the streets of Shanghai and is doing a purge on the MP and killing them.
This is not true. Military police fire.
They're cooperating. Well, why when asked, will this be a coup, you answer not sure. If it was just a skirmish with the MP, why would you consider a coup?
I was at that meeting.
Whoa, Shy.
Wait,
If military is excessive force, then we will have to overthrow military police.
well, a coup on the military police or the group?
Military police. Who on the military police?
And that is not what we're doing, bro.
Do you not think the Generalissimo is fit to handle this issue? Or the courts?
Is this not a democracy?
You think the jury is unfit to determine if Bart should be a commander or not? You think the jury's incompetent? Instead of waiting for the court case to be over, you take to the streets and kill MP when you could have just waited extra 30 minutes?
I was at that meeting. I would like to dispute. The Boxers in the Guangxi army were trying to have a meeting, and then randomly, people in MP uniforms, we didn't catch either.
Okay, bro, look at this.
But we just straight up got massacred while we were trying to have a meeting with the Boxers in the Guangxi army.
I would like to ask, who was the MP there at the time?
I can't see. I'm pressing tab.
Okay, if they cannot bring up the MP who was there, then there is no reason.
I do not see the leaderboard right now. I'm pressing tab, nothing's showing up. I have no idea.
You can press escape and look to see who.
Well, shit, maybe that would have been useful if I knew that before. Damn.
Okay, I think you did.
Wait, what was the issue? I was not really listening.
MP was shooting.
To get proper identification.
If there's no proper identification, we cannot punish MP
Alright.
for shooting.
We have a lineup of witnesses. So we have Scottish first, then
Yeah, can you let Scottish speak right now, please?
Then Southern, and then Schmeg would like to speak for Bart. All right, Scottish, you can go ahead, speak whenever you want.
Magical.
Here, go up to the stand.
Oh
and
yeah.
somebody
Okay,
kill
YG,
that
can
guy.
you hold the seat down? Also, there is a fake MP right there.
Where?
Got him.
Yeah.
Desi.
This is great. As you may know, boss man, I was here for the first trial. I actually spoke against Bart. Necessarily, MP at the time proved to be completely useless.
Well, I want to
Immediately
cross-examine
after
him.
the trial, I will cross-examine you if you don't shut the fuck up. Jesus, let me finish. Anywho's, MP at the time was retarded. I mean, I will fully stand by that, but they were immediately purged after that. Since that point in time, Bart has continuously reached out to me with questions involving military police matters, how he should set things up. I mean, he's been extremely proactive with reforming the military police, including coming up with an intel unit and an elite combat unit, because MP needs something else to do outside of just guarding and enforcing rules. I mean, there's no way you're going to retain members with any form of skill if you don't give them a subdivision to be in. Additionally, every time that I've been in game recently and MP has been guarding, it's been relatively okay. But I went to one where the Guangxi army was guarding and we all died multiple times. They also murdered a foreign delegation.
They murdered us, you imperialist dog!
Okay, relax, dude.
Yeah, they murdered you after you gunned down allies. That's magical. I am done with this court.
Okay, this guy's inspiring rebellion.
Okay.
I think that adjourns the court.
Oh,
Okay.
where's my
So what
promotion?
happens
I'm
now?
back to work.
The court is now in. Well, let's actually hear the jury. Make your statements right now. and we would like them to finish up really quickly.
Oh wait, guys,
let's
you
move
can
Sun
talk
up.
in team chat or go in voice 1 to speak to each other. Go in voice 1.
They already
Drew.
want to speak. We'll have Sun speak. Because they already finished.
How do you know?
You moved up, Sun. You can speak, Sun. Can you speak? I don't think he can speak. Okay, I'll have Kenan speak.
You guys, they already reached a decision?
Yeah. Especially with the current thing happening in Shanghai right now.
Hello.
Oh,
Hello?
there you go. Hello.
All right. From what I can tell from the case, okay. So, the first point is definitely like MP just like the activity wise, it's really great. Like he's been
Your mic
From
is
Scott,
really
like-
loud.
Yeah, your mic is so bad.
Hello. Yeah, no, I don't. Don't worry, I had to switch to a new microphone. Oh, an old microphone. This one's kind of trash. It's okay. Yes, from the witness from Scott, he says that Bart has been actively trying to fix MP for a concurrent amount of time, and he's shown that with the current status of it, it is very active. But we heavily disagree upon that MP is a little, with the organization how it is a little like incompetent. It's not to justify that Bart should be removed just yet. Although you have been given ample amount of time to should be working on with Chang and
Okay, you
Brad-
can't see your bias in the court.
Who said that?
Billy.
given an amount of time, like a large amount of time to work with Chang and many others to fix MP and how to run. That's just the one thing for you. Like there's other times, but this is just how it is from the jury. For Zonggren's case right now, what we saw is that yes, Zonggren, we've witnessed that. Oh well, from what we were told is that Zonggren has incited rebellion just a little bit at Shanghai, and well also made fun of, how do you say this, ruined the reputation of China during the Octavia meet, and that is accounted for. We're not gonna just forget about that. But Bart's infantry thingy, like the MP, moves more like an infantry unit. We were saying this earlier, saying like the MP doesn't really enforce the law or enforce the rules of China or CNRA entirely, but moves more like an infantry unit. That's why we wanted to see if there was a solution that Bart can maybe just lead an infantry division instead of an MP division, so that both sides can be happy about it, as MPs are very effective with doing their task, but they are very active. We're not disregarding that. Okay, is that a possible idea? We're not gonna forget this. You know, Chang,
Yeah.
is that possible? Can Bart be moved into an infantry division? Is that possible? And does Bart even want to do that in the first place? And
No,
Zonggren,
Bart-
do you?
Okay, Zonggren literally left to incite rebellion in Shanghai.
I did also forget to partially mention a little key piece of information. The military police didn't actually have their mission until like the last week and a half, if that long.
Yeah.
But we have to also that Bart should have the autonomy and the focus to figure out on his own what the mission should be in the beginning. Not without he shouldn't be holding hands with Chang or others to make a decision. That he should just be able to make it on his own.
Well,
We
I would
needed
like to add
counsel.
a lot of the current division commanders have to consult high command before even making decisions.
Okay. So this runs deeper than I thought it would be. I haven't been here for a while.
Because a lot of the power goes to high command. So that's why the MP purge was made upon high command, rather than
And the Bart
Bart's
didn't want to have that.
yeah.
I see.
In just a bit, I'm gonna have to deal with my second in
Wait,
command.
so what's your final verdict?
Verdict.
Yeah.
Jury, all DMs to me right now. Every jury right now, send me the DMs of what do you guys
Okay,
want.
this guy said I'm a little biased towards Bart, by the way. Or against
Yeah.
Bart. He said I'm a little biased against Bart. One of the jury members.
Why would?
Who is Echo? Is that this guy?
We, Conan,
it's
Chris,
Fortnite.
and my
Yeah, he
there's
said
three of the party. We have wanted you guys, at least for Bart and Zongren, we wanted punished both of them for miscommunication and internal conflict. Is what they want to say.
I would like to add that Bart's not causing Like,
Yeah, I don't think Bart
any
was...
internal conflict.
Yeah, Bart hasn't like done anything again. Because even after last meeting, Jen said he was going, or Lee Zongren Jen, he said he was going to coup the military police and take it over by force if he did not win the court case. And he didn't do that, but we asked Bart if he would like to court-martial him because of him saying that, and Bart declined because he didn't want to create more conflict.
It's just what we see is just, you know, I'm from a little different era from me, but
Yeah,
we
that's
see
true. This
again.
guy's an old man.
I'm an old man, so Bart. We still say we still say like Bart is still incompetent from what we know during the before and after right now, but on the prosecution side, which is where Zongren is right now, inciting rebellion, that's definitely like that's much more of a severe case than Bart's incompetence right now. So, if we can, we would want to punish, but we can't. We can't. So it's more up to like how Chang wants to do it. Cause Chang, you literally own the group. You can do what you want to do.
Yeah,
'Cause if you're not gonna listen to you do it yourself.
You're the jury, bro. I listen to the jury.
Buddy, we want to punish both of them, buddy, and you're not.
Hey,
you
what
don't
is
like
your
it.
punishment
Yeah, what's
for
the
both of them?
punishment though? What would the punishment be?
The punishment for one, okay, Zongren has to get down from that position right there. He has to be on equal terms with at least with Big Edie or like fucking Bart, because he's using his power like, in a much more abusive state where he's saying like Bart is being very incompetent and not giving him like miscommunication orders.
I don't think a two ranked demotion is like possible.
Yeah, that's not. It's not that. Like, we just want an initiative before consideration. For what?
Well, wait. Well, then what would Bart's punishment
Okay,
be?
the chat spamming, so
What
you're
would,
not gonna be able to read that ever.
what's Bart's punishment?
Bro, we just want Bart to move in an infantry division. Just make a brand new infantry division and send his
What's
forces
the-
there.
We have way too
What
many
have you said?
infantry divisions right now.
Yeah.
So
Oh my goodness.
maybe if Bart in the future doesn't do good with MP and maybe he wants to do it because he is a good raid commander. He gets.
Persecution should be placed on probation or exile until an investigation into the incited coup. That's what also Jerry says.
So just placed like suspended temporarily. I was gonna say demote him from everything right now, just in case like this is not just a LARP coup and he starts like admin abusing. I don't really know if he's just LARPing or he's genuinely mad.
I think it's a LARP.
Yeah, but
But there's been if you would like me to add a solution, son. Scottish wants to oversee MP reform, while Bart remains
Oh,
command.
fuck yeah, dude. What the hell? Well, I don't know. Scottish is in IJN right now, and if word got out between CNRA and IJA,
But Kanan literally said it was okay.
Hey, look, I didn't say I wanted to run MP. Chill, son. I said I wanted to oversee reforms, so someone's looking at what Bart's doing, and that way MP is kept on track. But I don't want to lead this shit. Hell no.
Okay. Then that's fine. That's
Would that be a
fine.
good
'Cause,
solution?
Because Scott was the former MP commander at the old CNRA when I led it, and he was, you know what? He was a good MP commander at the time. Did you know he was Chang's boss for a little time? Sorry guys. Anyways,
Everyone was boss.
anyways, yeah, Scott should be able to oversee Bart's actions with MP. It's much more efficient, and the ideas that Bart has been asking-
Bubba.
okay.
Primarily
Bubba.
I think this is a good idea. I think that's fine. Bart should be overseen by Scott, and then the persecution side should be suspended for right now, because I don't know if it's LARP or actually for real.
Yeah, I just was scared he'd start AAing stuff.
Yeah. Okay, so
Yeah,
is that your
Well,
final?
he does
I'll
have
respond.
exile permissions actually,
But in the Discord, you should have bans permission, so I'm gonna remove that real quick, as well as kick.
You should probably remove that right now.
That's what I'm doing right now.
The only person I think would actually leave is,
Xiao
yeah, Zhao Hei. I think
Yeah,
everyone else is
I think everyone else is
just like LARPing with
like LARPing with him.
Okay, is that your final statement, son? So we can all leave, and I can deal with this.
Yes, I think that's fine.
Okay, if all of MP could join Shanghai right now,
Yeah.
let's solve this. And also, any loyal NRA and Bart still commanders and friends want to join Shanghai and quell the rebellion, we
Yeah,
can.
you can protest against the rebellion.
Okay, let's all join now. And I'm gonna go quickly join their VC. Since they have quite a big following right now.
I placed all there if you want to join.
God, dude, Biggie, you like saved fucking Bart, bro. Oh my fucking god, you don't even know, dude.